So now you guys might be wondering that why do I need curated book boxes, help or suggestion? So I'll not give you one, not two, not three, but I'll give you 6 reasons why you should subscribe to curated book box. One being that we have tied up with local artisans for procuring the merchandise. We speak to, so September Book Box has a crochet bookmark which is done by a Goan artist. Then we have the Shakespeare illustration which is done by an illustrator artist based out of Mumbai. We have a necklace which is done by a resin artist based out of Secunderabad. We are speaking and connecting with people and artists across India. So our idea is to promote and give jobs to our fellow Indians, go vocal for local for all the products that we have. Second reason is we have the best expert that we can say who's in this industry since a decade. So Anushri is a freelance writer since almost 10 years now. She's working for a publishing house based out of the US, and she's the one who's selecting your books every month. This ensures that you have the best reads. So she has taken interviews with loads of authors and has spoken to loads of publishers in the past decade. So this gives us the confidence, to give you the confidence to be rest assured that the book in your hand is going to be best or it's not going to be the one. Now we give you the third reason. If you are an avid reader, I am sure that one book is not going to be sufficient for you every month. So here in this box, we give you 2 to 3 books every month along with the merchandise, of course, because we think that 2 to 3 books is a good amount of time for a month for you to finish reading. And we do not want you to worry about picking your best read, about hunting which book should I read next, about going through tons and tons of articles, tons and tons of reviews that if this book is better or that book is better, which book you should invest in. Instead, we want you to invest that time of your hunt in reading the books. Be it any book, if not from CBB either, but you still have plenty of amount of time for you to read, or probably invest that time in your Bookstagram account or journaling or anything under the sun related to books or not related to books. So basically we just want to take that stress away from you of selecting and searching for the next best read. And now we give you the fifth reason, that is we have plans of not only procuring the international reads but also procuring national reads. So our idea is not to bifurcate between a hard paper or a paperback or a national read or an international read. Our idea is to give you maximum amount of books. We want ourselves to be called as book spammers. That is our mission. And so the book has to have a brilliant storyline that any book lover should not be left out of reading that book. Now we give you the sixth reason, that is that we are planning to go sustainable. So we are taking baby steps. It's been only a month for us right now, and we have ensured that the plastic bags, the courier bags that we are using are biodegradable. We are planning to move to a compostable bag, and we have already started searching for vendors. We are planning to eradicate the plastic which comes in the box, say bubble wrap or any merchandise which is wrapped in plastic is a big no-no. But currently the issue that we are facing is that in India, every vendor, everything has plastic in it. So for us to speak to them and convince them is taking some amount of time. But be rest assured that a few months down the line, this is what our vision and mission is, because we love our Mother Earth and there is no planet B. That is our mission again, to reduce the carbon footprints that we are generating. So yeah, those were the 6 reasons about why you should subscribe to Curated Book Box. If you still have any questions, please feel free to comment them below and we will definitely answer that to you. and we will see you guys again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.